Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating the simplest causes. Power cycle both the console and the controller to reset transient errors. Once done, inspect the controller closely for visible damage. Bent pins, sticky buttons, or a torn joystick boot will explain many failures. Next, make sure the controller is in pairing mode by holding the small sync button for 3 to 5 seconds. This forces the device to advertise itself. If you use Bluetooth, move within 1-2 meters and remove other active Bluetooth devices. Now you re-establish a clean connection and ensure the controller firmware matches the console. Go to System Settings, choose Controllers and Sensors, and select Change Grip/Order to Repair. This clears stale link data. Then check for controller firmware updates. Outdated firmware can cause drift or input failures. After updating, calibrate the control sticks and buttons so the switch reads neutral positions correctly. Calibration resolves most drift issues because it recenters sensors and remaps analog ranges. If problems persist, perform a hardware reset by inserting a paperclip into the tiny reset hole for 3 to 5 seconds. This clears low-level faults. Once done, test the controller on another switch to isolate the console versus controller issue, and try a wired USB connection if supported. Wired input bypasses Bluetooth layers. If you still see failures, replace the battery or seek repair. Hardware faults like faulty ribbon cables or sensors require component repair. One key tip: keep firmware updated and test after each change to track progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.